Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the bear paw. It's a fun scrappy one. These cute little blocks. Aren't they fun? Okay, what you'll need are 4 squares to make your 4 patch. And you can mix this up depending on what size you want to make, just like this has lots of different sizes. And I will put a link to this pattern in the description below. You are going to want 4 half square triangles. So you can watch my half square triangle video. I'll put a link to that in the description below, and there's a card here that you can click on. And then 1 background square. All right, let's get started. Thanks. The first thing I like to do is just make me a 4 patch. So sew these together, sew these together, sew the rows together. If you want to know a way to reduce the bulk here in the center, I have a video for that. I'll put a link in the description below, and there's a card up above. Next, we're going to take our half square triangles, and we're going to arrange them. Well, we don't want to arrange them like that. And we're going to arrange them like this. So we're going to sew these 2 together and then these 2 together. Next, we're going to take those units and our 4 patch and then our extra background square. We're going to sew these 2 together and then these 2 together. And then we're going to sew it all together like that. And then you end up with your cute little block. And you can just make blocks just like this, or let's take this up higher. Okay. Or you can go for a bigger block by doing the same size square here as you have done here and adding your sashing. And adding 3 more blocks. And you get this big block. Isn't that great? I love it. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember also, if you would like scrappy bits and tips, I have my newsletter, M's Scrappy Bits and Tips, and I'll put a link to that in the description. Remember to share your stuff with me, either on Instagram at M's Scrap Bag or on my Facebook page. You can join that and share your stuff. Email me if you want, but I really would like to see your stuff. I just love to see how you guys create with what I've taught. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.